I gotta stay on task. Yeah, yeah, I'm on your ass. Why you speeding?
So guys, tapos na ako. Please visit Sol Avenue dito sa Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. And shout out nga pala kay Sir Mike at sa buong staff. Maraming pong salamat. Visit kayo guys, ang daming malulupit na sapatos dito. Lalo na yung Louis Vuitton na Air Force. So much more power to your Sol Avenue.
Thank you so much for visiting our store, Foster. So, as a token of our gratitude po,
Wow, thank you so much.
for you.
Guys, salamat po sir. Salamat po sa inyo. Unexpected.
Thank you so
Ay,
much.
salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Ma'am, salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes! Bye po.
I gotta get rich before I die. I'm focused on the music. It's just me and my uncle. My grandmother raised me. He more like my brother. We pistol back and spin they block because they steady chatting. He talking shit on the blue apple, boy. I'm about that action. We riding 3 deep in the Pontiac. Keep going faster. We steady spinning like a hurricane. It's a disaster. I'm on your ass in the fast lane. I told you to catch up. There ain't no patch. My dog's official. I ain't talking catch up. You could get wet up on your block just for disrespecting. We have them hammers on your ass. Now what you been? I'm with the shit, you wanna fight, then let's make a move.